The collaborative robot assists the human coworker in assembly tasks, behaving as a third hand to support the activity of the human. The first subtask to be performed by the robot is to pick a part up, which involves robot motion, gripper actuation and collision detection. Hand gestures are used to ask the robot to execute a given task. Whenever a gesture is recognized, the human coworker is alerted through computer speech and figures displayed on the working area. When the robot's flange LED is red, the robot is operating at rough precision hand guiding mode. It allows to position the robot quickly according to the human ergonomic, but it just can afford low positional precision. While the robot holds the workpiece, third hand, the human coworker connects the wires. The human switches robot motion to high precision hand guiding, blue LED, by pressing a button on the robot's flange. This mode provides high positional precision at the end-effector level. Follow the tightening operations of the screws in different locations. Using intuitive gestures, the human opens the gripper to release the part. Task sequencing information is projected on the working area to inform and guide the human about what actions the robot is executing, and the next actions to be executed by both human and robot. Finally, the robot is moved to home position, preventing the occurrence of collision.
Robot goes home.